Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Sara Khan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel ZF Learning Tricks. Today you will learn about essay on Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is our national hero. He is the founder of Pakistan. In Karachi, he was born into the family of China Punja, a merchant. After finishing his schooling, he traveled to England to study law. He joined the Indian National Congress to free his country from England's rule. In the beginning, he was a strong proponent of Hindu-Muslim unity, but soon he came to know that his Hindu leaders were narrow-minded and were not prepared to give a fair deal to the Muslim League. He demanded a separate homeland for the Indian Muslims and succeeded in achieving it. On 14 August 1947, he became the first Governor General of Pakistan, but day after day the strain of his work took its toll on his body and he died on September 11, 1948. Our Quaid-e-Azam was a man of character. Even his opponent acknowledged his honesty and integrity. So yes guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Stay connected with me for getting such content. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. So I will see you soon. Take care and keep smiling.